You know, there are people who thought this thing is way ahead of our time.
No.
And you kept the faith, again, very consistent with your belief of investing in Africa.
It is time.
It is time.
For Africa.
Yes.
Yes.
It is time.
It's time for Africa, and Africa should now be leading. If you think about 20 years ago,
Yeah.
the Chinese were nowhere.
Yes.
They were a poor country,
Yes.
very poor.
Yes.
Today, China is the second, if not the first economist in the world.
That's true.
So why can't we have the same zeal
Yes.
and the belief like the Chinese? That
Believe in our continent.
We will also
Yes.
become successful.
Amen.
Yes.
Believe in the continent, invest in the continent. Yes.
Very, very well.
Yes.
And they invest in Africa.
Yes.
I love what I'm seeing in front here.
The CK Square.
Yes.
And this
And
is...
I like him to. Can you put a shot through this hotel and the show buyers what we are developing over there? Look at that.
The City Lodge.
This is Africa in the first class world, right?
Yes.
So, to me, I think we are going places.
More investors are putting money
and
behind
we
you.
need more investors
Yes.
here to come.
Yes.
This is no miracle.
Yes.
Let them come invest with
Yes.
us. We are a publicly quoted business,
Yes.
and James is going to be our leader for a long time.
Yes. I hope he's listening. James, you're listening.
Let them come, invest,
Yes.
and find what he can do with your money.
Yes.